What are NFC payment and how do they work? Reason to use ethical hacking. Digital security is one of the most important issues we have today. It is essential to invest in these types of process to be more protect in a world where we are increasingly vulnerable. Let's look at some of reasons why we should use this sort of hacking from how no one use compare with regard regulations. First of all, it is important to appreciate the fact that with ethical hacking we comply with regulation. Yes, we already know that. At this beginning, we told you that something that they tend to do activities that are outside the law. However, most of the time these are very specific causes, as these are big name companies that have to comply with the legal mechanism because the agent have their sight set on them at all times. This way you can offer a higher quality services to your client. Your protect networks and software. On the other hand, we cannot forget the fact that with presentation testing we determine where, where the weakness are in specific platform. With your practice we can detect any vulnerabilities and weakness that the system has that can be exploited by digital criminals. This way you will be a protect and leaving everything in hands of the experts. Update with penetration systems. Does not risk technology does not risk for a second, and neither do pension systems. So when we hire an ethical hackers, we make sure we are up to date with the latest trends. Use the criminals take the definitive steps to be uh, to be at the forefront of the computer security artificial intelligence trainings. It's true that artificial intelligence is here to stay, but the reality is that in this case we are vulnerabilities detections. Mistakes are made that can jeopardize and system securities of your project. On many sessions, it detects false positives that alarm you unnecessarily, as well as the other way around. That's why it is important to work hand in hand and ethical hacking professionals to obtain better results. Phase of ethical hacking. There are five phases that divide ethical hacking. Let's take a look at each of them so that you can implement them in the right way. Signing the agreement. The first thing we have do we have to do to is to sign an agreement reflecting the type of collaboration that the professional we have with the contracting companies forums. There will be documents will emerging where it will be shown in detail the work that will done and how long the contract will last.